Welcome to LBank Prediction Market on Web, a futures product built around event outcomes. Prices generally reflect the market's expectation of whether an outcome will happen, and contracts usually trade between 0 and 1 USDT. After entering Prediction Market, you can choose Prediction Futures, Flash Futures, or Favorites to start browsing. You can also tap Trade Now from a featured headline, or use category tags, ranking, status filters, and keyword search to find your target event. On the trading page, you can switch between last price, mark price, and index price, then review the order book and choose the contract that matches your strategy. Prediction futures support isolated margin only. Select a limit or market order, enter price and amount, then choose long yes or short no. For some events, draw may also be available. For flash futures, select a time range such as 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours, then choose an event card and place your order. After placing an order, you can review current positions, open orders, order history, and trade records directly on the page. In Prediction Market, long generally means you believe the outcome will happen, while short means you believe it will not. A higher price usually suggests a higher market expectation for that outcome. For both prediction futures and flash futures, P&L is calculated from entry price and closing price or final settlement price. For example, buying at 0.40 and settling at 1 means a positive return before fees. After an event ends, the system settles based on the final result. If the page shows pending confirmation or pending settlement, close position and margin adjustment may be temporarily unavailable. Please note that Prediction Market supports isolated margin only, and under certain conditions, liquidation or ADL may occur. Digital asset trading carries high risk, so always review the rules and trade prudently.